Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air3 Pro headphones, and today I'm gonna show you how can you easily pair it with your iOS device. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings, and now we have to open our case lid from our headphones. Now we have to go into pairing mode. We have to hold this button for at least 2 seconds. As you can see, they are now in pairing mode, and as you can see, they are over there. We have to just click on it, and now we are paired. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.